In this video, I am going to show you how to fix Roblox. This experience isn't available due to your account settings error. Most of the cases when you try to play a game in Roblox, you cannot see this green icon here or button here. It's because there is problem in your Roblox settings. Now, what are we going to do with this? The first thing to do is to log into your Roblox account and then go to settings. At the top right corner, you can see a gear icon here. Tap that one and then go to settings. Now under settings, we can see here account info, security, tap privacy. Now always make sure that account restriction is toggled off. You have to make sure that this one is off and it's not turned on because that could be the reason why there is error in your settings. So always turn it off. Now, after that, you have to go to parental controls and make sure that this one is toggled off too. So turn off parent pin. For allowed experiences, always make sure that you tap this 13 plus. And then after that, you can go back to your Roblox account. If this doesn't work, then you can log out your account, log in again to see this green button. Now, if it doesn't work again, all you have to do is to restart your computer, tap this one, and then click restart. And I hope that after that, I hope you can see the green button and play Roblox games. If you find this video helpful and informative, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more video tips and video tutorials.